We are also planting onions. The varieties that we have planted is the red dragon. This is red dragon, this one, and that one is the super Pinoy from East West.
Hello, welcome to TechPopop, the smart learner channel. We educate intelligent farmers and provide effective solutions to your problems. Gumagamit po ba kayo ng maraming inorganic fertilizer? Acidic din po ba ang inyong lupain? Mabagal bang lumaki ang inyong mga halaman? Panahon na po para pagandahin at pababain yung paggamit ng inorganic fertilizer. Kayo po na nag-o-organic, pwede po ninyong gamitin ito. Kayo po na natatakot sa mga insecticide, natatakot sa mga iba't iba pang mga chemical na inilalagay sa halaman, pwede po sa inyo ito. Tayo po ay gumagamit ng probiotics o itong lactobacillus lactic acid. Ito po ay nagpapaganda o binabalik niya yung ganda ng lupa. Binubulok po niya ng madalas o mabilis yung mga pwedeng bulukin sa lupa, kagaya ng mga dahon, yung mga rice straw, kung ano pang mga pwedeng maging pataba sa inyong lupa, pinapabilis po nito ang pagbubulok. At ang ginagawa po niya ay yung mga binubulok po ay ginagawa po niyang amino acid, na yung amino acid ay nagtataglay ng nitrogen, at ang nitrogen ay nagpapaganda sa ating halaman para ito'y mabilis lumaki at magaganda, malalaki po ang bunga. So subukan po ninyo itong ating probiotics, itong ating 3K fertilizer, at para gumanda ang inyong halaman at maibalik yung dating matabang lupa.
This is more than a month already. We decided to raise it in bed first, then transplanted it to the final place to be planted, so that the bulbs will be more bigger compared to the direct seeding. Last year we have done that direct seeding, and we have noticed that the bulbs are smaller compared to the bulbs of the onions that are transplanted. I will let you see the plot where we have transplanted some seedlings. This is the super Pinoy. As you can see, we have not yet sprayed in herbicide, so you can see several grasses in weeds that already germinated and growing. But this one will going to apply one side in oxyprime. That herbicide is better than some other herbicide that we have used in the past. In the past we have used that Ron Star and one side, but we have observed that it's not so effective. So we have tested this oxyprime and one side, and we have observed that it's better than that Ron Star and one side combination. So the price of onion is still okay. It's a little bit high. I hope that we could catch up with that price in the market. And we are now trying to speed up the growth of this onion so that we could catch up with the best price in the market. So I will going to show you the other plots that we have transplanted this onion. So in this area is not yet sprayed with herbicide. We have already put this one with sulfate, and maybe this week we're going to apply some broadcast some triple 14. Then when the bulb will going to set, maybe we're going to broadcast some urea. So in onion production, this is still my second year of having it. Still studying, still observing, and still learning from my mistakes. Last year when we have done that direct seeding, the operation is successful. We harvested a little bit more, but not bigger or more than compared to the transplanted one. So that's why we have changed our style of planting. Instead of direct seeding, we have initiated this raising the seedlings in bed, then transplanting it. So I'm going to show you our other plots which are already applied with herbicide, and now they are being attacked by insects. The indication had been the indication can be seen by the drying of the tip of the leaves of the onion. Here you can see that it's normal, it's nice, it's very good. But we're going to uproot or use some of this some of the seedlings here. We have already uprooted this area, but it's still thick, and still we're going to have some from this to make way for the bigger one to grow and have the bigger bulb. This one is not successful. We have applied, or we have sown seed here, but it's not successful. The growth is only few have germinated. I don't know what's the reason why. But in other area it's perfect, it's fine. But here in this area it's not good. Most of the seeds do not germinated. So as it is, this is the appearance, and this is the situation since it was sown here. So what we do, we just let that as it is. So here is our plot. You can see the tip of the onions are dried, indication that there are some insects. So we are applying tricky fertilizer, the anaa, and we are using the salt mixed with nembecidin and delta king, so that the insects will not have resistance as we continue to use that X-Salt. That X-Salt is a proven insecticide to control the insects of the onion. So that's why we are using it only a little, because the stage of the onion is still at the the early stage, where maybe we will going to wait 1 or 2 months before it will be harvested. So that's why we are using a small amount of that X-Salt. So this is the onions that we have here in this area. We have already sprayed herbicides, so you can see. So those kind of grasses or weeds that are left are maybe they are resistant to oxyprime and the one side, but only few. Most of the weeds, grasses that germinated and grown here are already eradicated. They had been killed. So indication this is grasses killed by the combination of one side and oxyprime. They must be tall now, but when we sprayed that last week, they are controlled. We have planted about maybe 1 hectare area, and this is not enough for a one helper. I don't have much money to raise a bigger area, so I just managed to have a little area and have one helper to manage this and maintain this the needs of this one, because I cannot manage to maintain this work for this, because a lot of work was already assigned to me. We have still some area to be planted, maybe tomorrow. Now is today's December 31, and this midnight is New Year. So we have prepared an area to be planted here. So we have still some seedlings that are left, so it will be placed here. So if you have some question about onion production, onion maintenance, you are free to ask that question. And if you are interested in knowing about the different techniques and procedures, please subscribe and share this video so that others may know, others may learn, others may going to be benefited from what we have, what we are sharing here. So stay in touch. We're going to share more about this onion production. So I hope you learned something about this one. I hope that you succeed in farming, you succeed in production, and good luck. Happy farming.